Hi traders, Dale Pinkert here. You can find me on Twitter at Forex Stop Hunter. I'm going to start off with the 1 hour chart of WTI crude. So everyone knows that have been following me that I've been looking for buy stops to be elected over 6462, and we made another attempt here today. So what you do if a scenario isn't playing out exactly to plan, and there's an expression, man plans, God laughs. So when we got up here and started to struggle, I put on short positions here at 6438, risking a buck on the trade. We have not taken out those stops. It doesn't have to. There's no law. Every once in a while, stops do survive. This is about the fourth test of the same level, and we are starting to roll over. As you can see, we're currently testing a fairly significant pivot right there at the 63.75 level underneath it. I'm very bearish of crude. Even if we do get another rally in that, it's starting to lose credence as we start to roll over and attack support underneath the market. The bigger red line that you have just a shade under 63 is a throwover line I've been talking about for the last several weeks since we accelerated above it. And back underneath it looks to me about a little bit under yesterday's low, around 62.90-ish. Should seal the deal for a top in WTI. The next chart I wanted to show you was something that I've been talking about for the last several weeks as well, and it's a daily chart of the copper market. And as I was showing on the weekly, I've had this line drawn off these two prior tops for about a week and a half or so. And, you never know if your line's going to be valid until you see how a market reacts off it. And we were definitely rejected off today's highs. Now, we're still not lower on the day. And could we accelerate through here and have a little throwover? That's possible. But it's also possible we're very close to a significant high. I'm looking for quite a plunge in copper, which flies in the face of a lot of the fundamentals that you're getting out of China right now. So, what they say is people who buy headlines today sell newspapers tomorrow. I'm expecting a very severe drop in copper and began to build short positions today. We'll do it all the way up to 302 if offered. Wrong on the trade, back over 307.50. And I wanted to wrap it with something that was also an accurate forecast that is now being fulfilled, and it's the daily chart of the 10-year yield. If you recall, back near the lows at 235, we had a three drive formation on a shorter term formation. I thought we could rally back to between 255 and 265. High yield today is 261 and three quarters, so there could be a bit left. But as you can see, right now there's still just two drives to a bottom here and looking for yields to fall one more time. I think that could coincide with a stock market correction, but I think this rally is 80–90% complete with yields going up, and I'm looking for yields to start heading down. That will also set up some shorts in US dollar yen as the bonds and TLT should begin to advance once again. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. Have a great Easter, and I'll be back with you on Tuesday morning. Adios.